Now, when you put a beam expander, which is this one, when you put the beam expander, you should see such a rings, okay? This is constructive and destructive interference. Don't try to put it to the center because it's a bit impossible unless you put the A tube chamber. Now, let me put A tube chamber. And when I put A tube chamber, I tighten them. And as you can see, it's more or less in the center. Now, if you want to make it more in the center, then you have to play with these two mirrors. You have two knobs, you play with them and make sure that it's kind of more or less in the center, okay? Of course it will be a little bit okay, let me play with a little bit. So I align it in the center. Now you see this constructive and destructive interference. Then what you have to do, you have here a barometer and you have here a tube. You have to pump it until it's reaches maximum things. So let me pump it. Now as you can see, the A is changing, and if I try to release it very slowly, then you will see that the rings are moving, okay? Rings are moving. So you have to count how many rings are moved from maximum to the until the pressure gets to 0, okay? You have to count them and take the note. You have to repeat the experiment a couple of times. Take the number of rings from maximum pressure to the 0 pressure, okay? So I'm slowly releasing the pressure. Before it was full of air, now I'm releasing air, and air gets less and less, the ring starts moving, okay?